Hello friends, today I am going to show you how user mailbox module works. This module we have created to separate IMAP and SMTP gateway per users. So after you install this module, you will go to user setting and you will find email configuration tab inside the user, where you need to configure your professional email or personal email with IMAP server, respective server information, username and password. As well, you can define a new record creation method wherever you are receiving any new incoming emails, which I am not using right now, and a server action like create a new lead from any new incoming email. And the same way I need to configure outgoing emails here using SMTP gateway. I have set it up. I am going into CRM. I have created one new lead with another email ID. Now I am sending one message. So this email will be sent to the customer email ID, which is mustafa.rahi@sarpanchs.com, which is my email ID. When I go there, you can see a new lead came. Hello there, this is new mail lead 1. Now when customer replies to you, okay, and he send back the same channel, you will receive that inside your Odoo threads. Now I have set it up 3 minutes interval for fetch mail services. Okay, so let's wait till next 3 minutes, or let me go and manually fetch my emails. This is not advisable in routine, but to quickly show you the feature, I am doing that. See, I have received the same mail in the channel. Okay, now I am moving to purchase app. I am creating one quotation. Okay, again using the same email. Selling him something. So I am sending this RFQ by email. Subject will be my company order, reference PO1, which you will be looking at in the chatter box. So yeah. Now I am visiting my email once again. See, the my company order reference PO1 is here. Okay, this is how it's working. Now when your supplier will reply, go to Odoo, this email will come here. Let me go and quickly run the incoming mail server. I am refreshing it right now to see whether I received the email or not. No, not yet. So I'm running fetch mail again. Yeah, this time it is processing. See, the supplier response is here. So from every object inside Odoo, wherever you initiate an email, the same way you will receive back the reply. The advantage of this email user mailbox app is you can separate out IMAP and SMTP server per user to ease your job. Okay, if you have any question, you can contact us on our website, that is www.serpentcs.com, or you can send us an email that is on contact@serpentcs.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.